Namaskar, how are you all doing today? Okay, the day looks pretty good today. In the morning, you're going to be playful, you're going to have a lot of charisma, you would want to explore options, you would just, with a lot of enthusiasm, you would go in a search of a lot of things. But you have to relax. Don't become so adventurous that at the end you would feel that what have you done, because it's a contradicting day today. In the morning you'll be in a happy mood, but by late afternoon, by evening, you're going to feel that you need a lot of patience, you need to have a lot of courage to face whatever is happening in your life. So make sure that you are not going overboard. Yes, it's okay to be playful, it's okay to be adventurous, it's absolutely wonderful, but know your limits. Make sure that you are not going too overboard, that is affecting your later part of the day. Take care.